Let's start discussing exercises related to grammar portion now. So first question is, make possessive determiner or the possessive pronoun from the words in parentheses and then fill in the blanks. So the first is, the bus stop is near dash house and we have V in the parentheses. So possessive determiner R आ जाएगा इसमें. Second is, how is dash new school? इसमें your आ जाएगा. Third is, this is my bag and that is, as there is he in the parentheses, तो यहाँ पे his आ जाएगा. Fourth is, Sophia's hair is longer than dash. I है, तो यहाँ पे mine आएगा. Fifth is, it's dash turn now. It's my turn now. Sixth is, the bike on the right is yours. Seventh is, which desk is dash? Ours. Eighth is, here are dash tickets. Here are her tickets. Ninth is, the children brushed dash teeth. Their teeth. 10th is, our school is much nicer than theirs. Let's move on to next question, which is fill in the blanks using the personal pronoun in brackets in its subject or object form or as a possessive determiner or a possessive pronoun. So let's see. First is, we can phone our grandma and ask dash, ask her. Second, are dash your friends and we have they in the brackets. So यहाँ पे आएगा, are they your friends? Third is, dash is working on dash presentation and we have she. She is working on her presentation. Fourth is, excuse dash, can dash ask a question? Excuse me, can I ask a question? Fifth is, dash can ride dash skateboards. They can ride their skateboards. Sixth is, dash is dash friend. He is his friend. Seventh is, this is not dash jacket, dash was blue. This is not my jacket, mine was blue. Eighth is, dash bought it for dash. She bought it for her. Ninth is, these two cats are dash. These two cats are ours. 10th is, dash don't eat potatoes because dash don't like dash. They don't eat potatoes because they don't like them. Thank you. With this, we have come towards the end of our today's video lecture. I hope जो भी आज हमने पढ़ा वो आपको clarity के साथ समझ आया होगा. Inshallah, we'll be meeting with some new topic in our next video. Till then, take care. This is me, Maha, your English instructor, signing out.